Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these Dumbo nails inspired by the new upcoming live-action Disney Dumbo movie. So here I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to use is from Beamy Beauty Box. I will leave a link down below to swatches of some of their metal leaf gels. This one here is Sky Leaf. It is a silver with like a bluish tint to it. And so I'm going to put this on my pinky and my thumb. And the next color we're going to use is Madame Glam's Navy Blue. This is the perfect dark navy blue color. And I'm going to put this on my pointer finger. And next we're going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect White. This is my favorite white gel polish I like to use for nail art. And then I'm going to go in with a long striping brush. This is one I just had laying around. So using the striping brush and the white gel polish, I'm going to go in on my ring finger and create like a checkerboard outline. These lines don't have to be perfect because you are going to color them in and then redo the lines on top. So once we have our base checkerboard pattern down, I'm going to go in with this first color is going to be Madame Glam's Amour. This is a nice deep red color. And then I'm going to be using Midi Burns brush in Minty Zero. It's just a basic detailer brush. And so I'm going to go in and fill in the checkerboard starting with red. And so the red I'm going to do in full column, so all the red is going to be connecting to each other. And I am flash carrying in between every other square that I am doing. So once I have all the red squares down and those are flash cured, I'm going to go in with that navy blue again and I'm going to fill in some of the blocks, but this time I'm going to be doing every other down the column. And once the navy blue ones are down, you're going to go in and fill in the rest of them with that pretty Sky Leaf metal gel.
So
So this is how my nails look with all of the checkers filled in. And what we're going to do now is go back in with that perfect white, and we're going to outline all of the checkered boards to complete the look. And here I'm going in and doing a second layer of sky leaf, and then I will do a second layer of the navy blue as well. So here is what my nails look with those done. And then I went ahead and off camera, I used a pencil to draw out the outline for Dumbo. And now I'm going to go in and use Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to create that outline again with the gel polish. And Dumbo's outline does not have to be perfect, because like the checkerboards, we're going to go in, color in Dumbo, and then redo and perfect the outline on top. So here is what my nails look like with Dumbo's outline all done. And now, like a coloring book, we're going to go in and fill in Dumbo. So this gray-blue color that I'm using for Dumbo's skin color, I actually mixed up myself. So it is mostly Madam Glam's Perfect White, and then I put in just a smidge of Perfect Black, and then I added a little bit of Aqua Blue to create this gray-blue color. So the next color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Mimosa. This is a pretty, just like a basic yellow color, and I'm going to use this for Dumbo's hat. And the next color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Angel Wings. This is a light, almost baby pink color, and we're going to use this to fill in the inside of Dumbo's ears. And next we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Aqua Blue. This is a pretty sky blue color, and we're going to use this for Dumbo's eyes. And then I did use Madam Glam's Amour for the collar of Dumbo. And then I used Madam Glam's Perfect White for the white of Dumbo's eyes. And then now we have Dumbo all colored in, so we just have to choose a background color, and I decided to go with that sparkly sky leaf color. So here's what my nails look like now that Dumbo is fully colored in. It's definitely coming along, and now once that is fully cured, we're going to go in and do Dumbo's outline once more and just perfect all the details. So now that Dumbo is all done, we are almost finished with this design. I'm just going to go in and put a few Swarovski crystals. So I will be using the Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. This is my favorite crystal gel product. And I'm just using a dotting tool and applying this where I'm going to put the crystals. And then the crystals I'm going to be using today is light siam AB, that is on the left, and then on the right is just regular light siam. So what I did in the corner of my pointer finger is I put light siam in the middle, and then on each side to cap it in, I used the light siam AB. And now it's time for top coat. So today I'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat. So here's how my nails turned out. On my thumb, I did try to do the Dumbo logo that I had seen on all of the movie posters. And I went ahead and did that off camera just because text is a little hard to do, and so it's even harder to do while filming. But I really love how these nails turned out. I love all the colors. I was so excited that I got to incorporate one of the metal leaf gels from Beamy that I had just swatched. So let me know down below what other Disney characters you want to see me do. And let me know if you guys are excited for this movie. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!